Hello and welcome to another Q&A session here at the Funeral Program site. Today we're going to address questions that we get asked us from families all across the world who visit our website. So today's question is, what is the best paper that you recommend for creating and printing our funeral programs? We recommend that you use a 32-pound paper for all bifold letter size programs, which you fold in half, or even if you use it in our graduated folds. And the reason for this is because the 32-pound paper is the thickest you can go without going cardstock, and it's got a nice substantial weight, and it still folds easily and nicely and gives a nice overall presentation to your completed program. The 32-pound paper is readily available at any office supply store or FedEx Kinko's, so you might want to call around in your local area to those stores and just compare pricing. We do find that the FedEx Kinko's does have the best pricing for the 32-pound paper. If you have them printed at a local office supply store, you can ask them for a 32-pound paper and they will have them. If you're printing your program on a legal or tabloid size paper, you won't be able to find that nice thicker weight paper, 32 pound, at any office supply store. You will need to go to a paper supply store, and usually big cities have paper supply stores. So if you live in a rural area or country town, you may need to drive to your local big city to find a paper supply store. You can also shop online to get that size paper in that weight if you have a little bit more time. We don't recommend printing on a cardstock paper, and the reason for that is because when you go to fold it, it does tend to crack on the sides. If you're doing a funeral booklet, you can print the cover and the back page on a cardstock and the inside pages on a thinner weight paper. But just keep in mind that you will need to score the center of the cardstock paper to prevent that cracking on the sides. If you choose to do our full design and print service, we do offer all of these options, as well as being printed on matte or glossy finish. If you want the cardstock, we do automatically score it so that when it folds, it is a nicer presentation. Thanks for watching this Q&A session. Please keep your questions coming. If you'd like to see a future video on your question, please post them below or head on over to our website and post them on our answer base. We answer those questions within 15 minutes of posting so that we don't keep you waiting. You can check out all our available DIY funeral program templates, as well as personalized and loving memory keepsakes, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.